I'm hungry. It's dinner time. So I bought these asparagus from QFC. It was on sale for $1.99 per pound. That is cheap. So today I'm going to show you guys how to prepare it. All right. So you don't even need a knife to cut it. Sometimes just go with the flow of what nature provides you. All right. So I'm actually going to cook only half of this. Got to save some for tomorrow. All right. So hold the asparagus by the ends like this. And with a little bit of pressure, just break it. And wherever it breaks, it's naturally the portion that you want to keep. All right. So just a little bit of pressure right here. You see how that's breaking? Maybe I grabbed a little bit too much. Together we are strong. We're not trying to film Planet of the Apes. All right. So maybe like 3. So see how that's breaking? Yeah. So this is the portion that you want to keep, because the end portion is too chewy. You're gonna have a hard time eating or digesting that. So that's basically how you do it. Finish out with the rest. So once again, zoomed in like that. After you're done, give it a good rinse. Make sure that's clean. So I'm actually going to prepare it in this Crown 4 air fryer. Let's go ahead and put this on the tray. Put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on the bottom so it doesn't stick. I'm just going to lay it down flat, longitudinal side, like that. That's looking nice. Put some more olive oil. Olive oil is good for the body, unlike vegetable, corn oil, or any other type of oil. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, preferably pink sea salt, but I don't have any of that. So just sprinkle a little bit of salt, and we're ready to cook it. All right. 365 degrees for 11 minutes. That should be good. All right. So here is the dinner I'm going to heat up and eat. I love this lasagna. I mean, it's like an Italian style night to go with some garlic bread and some oven roasted asparagus. It can't be healthier than that. Speaking of which, I might as well review these too. So I got this from QFC, Home Chef. He can eat Italian style lasagna meat sauce. Typically, it's like $18.99. That's too expensive to pay. Now, I've tried it before and I had it bought it for clearance, and I've waited a while. I'm so glad they have it. Memorial Day sale. $12.77. This can last basically 3 meals. And it's very easy to heat up because you can only put it in the microwave for like 5 minutes, and it's very easy. All right, let me show you what it looks like. Look at that. Ooh, that smells good. Look at that meat and that cheese. And in case you're wondering about nutritional info, there it is. All right. Good amount of protein, it looks like. A little bit heavy on the calories, but I'm trying to gain weight. Ooh, that ingredient is a long list. Let's take a look at the garlic bread. Might as well. First time trying the QFC garlic bread. Ah, that's what it looks like. So this is a 2 pound, 6.25 ounce lasagna. 3 meals. So I'm gonna cut right here, down the middle. Okay. Scoop it up. Look at that. Look at those layers. Look at all that meat and cheese. Look at that. Ooh wee. They weren't skimping. 5 minutes in microwave. Alright, while the lasagna is cooking, let's go and cut this garlic bread. Oh, garlic bread is like that? I was expecting garlic like from Olive Garden, all marinated. It's in the middle. Okay. Let's check up on the asparagus. Ooh, need to clean that window. Check on the lasagna. Oh man, no, those are good. Oh, that's hot. It's looking real good. Now what about the asparagus? Oh yeah, that's ready to be plated. Here we go. I'm just gonna place on here so I can absorb some of that olive oil and that flavor. I'm gonna cook it for like 5 minutes. All right, the food is plated. What do you guys think about this? We got our carbs from the healthy vegetables, got our meat, protein, and got our carbs from the bread, garlic bread. Look at that. Oh yeah. Can't wait to do that taste test. Ooh wee. Welcome to my kitchen where I cook up magic. So, well, actually, I didn't cook up the lasagna. QFC did. So let's go ahead and take a look at the asparagus, properly cooked and seasoned. Here we go. Mmm, so good. Mmm. The olive oil acts as a substitute for the butter. Wow. Buy the asparagus that's not thick because the thicker they are, the older they are. I like it medium or too narrow, so it's not as chewy. All right, let's go ahead and dive into the lasagna. Oh yeah, look at that. Mmm. Mmm. Plenty of meat. Ooh, I'm surprised they didn't put too much salt in it. That's what we're about. Garlic bread with that garlic in the middle. Oh, crispy. Oh my goodness, guys, this is a delicious meal. I love the lasagna. I'll be definitely buying it more from QFC, especially when it's on sale though. I'm not gonna pay like almost 20 bucks for that. But don't forget you can make probably 3 meals out of that. So you factor in what's the meal cost now? $20 a day. Garlic bread is good. And that's how you prepare asparagus. So hope you guys enjoy this special video. They always pay to eat healthy, eat hard, work harder, baby.